The home point has been updated. Please check it. Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, this is the right in front of our office. Can we take it down to the office, Capitol, where you can see the Capitol? Just take a turn back. All right, so here we see Mana Capitol. You can see like a Hollywood style here. So this is our office where we are right now. This is our office. And next to us, this tall building in the gray, this is the RGA Tech Park. You see how close we are, right? So this is just like, you know, a wall jump away. And this is the flyover of the RGA Tech Park. It's a classic landmark. We are just next door, we're on the hottest spot. So yeah, so we'll go back to the turn. So right in front is where we have the Karmalaram railway station. So we're just going to give you a quick, it's just 500 meters. It's 5 minutes walk from my property, straight opposite. So this is the road which leads through. Now this road is also a lot of plans for expansion and flyovers and things like that, which is coming up. Also your metro phase 3 is also proposed in this place. So this is one of the places that you want to be. 5 minutes walk from the project, just opposite. This is a railway station where you see this green and blue low rises. These are the platforms, the railway tracks. This is where we are. So this is very crucial. And then right side for property is where we have the RGA Tech Park, RGA Tech Park. And then after that, 1 kilometer from our property is where you have the new SEZ of the Wipro campus. And 1.5 kilometers on my left-hand side of the property is where you have the Wipro campus. And behind our project, so behind, this is the RGA Tech Park. Big Bazaar. You can see the office, low rise in the front where the buses are moving. This is our office. Right here in front, you can see the Mana Capital logo down. It's quite big, so you can see from a drone. And so this is the property. So we would like to give you a small tour of the property so that you would know. It's already a green place. We have also going to make it look even more beautiful in terms of the greenery, even though there's going to be high rise, which we're coming up. So made sure that it's all complemented. It's a perfect balance. The excavation is already started. We have almost completed the excavation for the basements. You can see there's large excavation here. This is for tower 1 and 2. The blue boards around this is the borders of the property. Behind this blue door is the Hado Sudapura road, which connects back. So, yeah. So we have, it's a great community. It's a very highly residential place. So we have many other builders, Confident, Shobha, Royal Pavilion is here, and so behind our property here. And yeah. So we're just going to try to see if we can give you a quick look at the Wipro SEZ campus, which is behind these cranes here, right here. So there are so many things which we can cover, but just because of the time, we just have to verbally tell you where it is, and showing about the schools and hospitals. And these are the large area campuses. So it's easy for you to locate and see from the drone. So this is the Wipro SEZ campus, which you can see. Okay.
I think there is some technical difficulty at the drone's end. Yeah, it's back now.
Okay, great. Yeah. So I think it's very informative and about the drone so that people can see exactly where and how. This is the campus, right? The Wipro campus, SEZ. Can you see how the Maratali Outer Ring Road connect is, Manu? Is there a possibility? It's around 3 kilometers from the Maratali Outer Ring Road, straight road. This is Sajapur Main Road, Maratali Outer Ring Road.